Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Simada. So guys, in this video we will know almost every beginner when they want to speak in English and they started speaking, then our mind goes blank, guys. It happens almost every beginner. So guys, we will know in this video why it happens with everyone, with every English learner. So guys, so for the first reason is fear, and this is a big reason. We if we can speak, we can understand English, we can read English, but we are not able to speak in English because and one of the reason is fear also. We think that what people think about me if I will make mistake. We all are almost afraid of making mistake, and we think what people they think about me, what people they'll laugh to listen my English. So the main reason is fear also, and the second reason is lack of practice, guys. Sometime everyone know that if we can understand English and we are not able to speak English, so then I think this is a lack of practice. If Because English is a skill. So English is a skill. When we practice more, it will be easier day by day. So I think this is also a reason, practicing English, lack of practice. And the third is, I think, thinking in our native language. Since childhood we are addicted thinking in our native language. If we want to speak in English, then first of all we think in our native language. So slowly when we practice more, then it will be okay, guys. So I think these three main reason of our mind goes blank when we started speaking English. So guys, I think it will be helpful for you. So if you like my video, then like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.